Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, who recently flew into India from the US where she lives, poured her heart out in her note for Sushant, which, however, she deleted from her unverified Facebook account within a day of posting. Shweta had also attached a handwritten note given to her by Sushant, which too have been removed along with the post. Sushant died on Sunday. He was 34. The police say Sushant died by suicide and an investigation is currently underway. Shweta, who is currently in Patna with her family, remembered Sushant and wrote in a post on her Facebook account, "I know you were in a lot of pain and I know you were a fighter and you were bravely fighting it. Sorry, Mera Shona. Sorry for all the pain you had to go through. If I could, I would have taken all your pain and given all my happiness to you." As part of the investigation over Sushant Singh Rajput's tragic death, the police will also probe allegations that the actor was depressed because of personal rivalry. The actor allegedly lost 6 of his 7 films, which he had signed after his 2019 film Chichore. Shweta's eulogy for Sushant continued with words which will bring tears to your eyes. She said, "Your twinkling eyes taught the world how to dream. Your innocent smile revealed the true purity of your heart. You will always be loved, Mera baby, and so much more. Wherever you are, Mera baby, stay happy, stay fulfilled, and know that everyone loved you, loves you, and will always love you unconditionally." Shweta had also attached a note of compassion, kindness, and forgiveness in her post, writing, "All my dear ones, I know it is testing times, but whenever there is choice, choose love above hatred. Choose kindness and compassion above anger and resentment. Choose selflessness above selfishness. And forgive. Forgive yourself and forgive others and forgive everyone. Everybody is fighting their own battles. Be compassionate to yourself and be compassionate to others and everyone. Let not your heart close ever at any cost." Earlier, Shweta Singh Kirti had revealed how her 5-year-old son consoled her after Sushant's death. "When I told Nirvan the news that Mamu is no more, he said, 'But he is alive in your heart.' Our heartfelt condolences for all the family members."
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House,
Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.